Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So Gems, let's see what's happening with you, what's happening with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and newbies, we welcome you as well. And also my newbies, I'm putting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. For me, this is person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your story, Gems, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So bottom of my deck, the overall energy is the High Priestess. So both of you probably keeping secrets from each other or not talking to each other. I don't know what's happening here. Let's put this card here. And let me take a look at the cards. Let me take 2 more cards out. One for action that person A will take now. Action for person A and action for person B. Okay. So 8 of Swords in reverse for person A and the Page of Pentacles in reverse for person A. Person A seems to be kind of coming out of a stressful situation. They feel, I can't overthink this anymore. I don't want to be trapped in my mind, going over and over what this connection is all about. And maybe putting a kind of a break, putting their brakes on this connection. There's no movement, at least from person A's side. Where person B is concerned, they are also not willing to have any more growth, it seems. The Empress in reverse and the 10 of Wands in reverse. Might as well drop this connection. I don't see any growth happening here. Things are too stagnant. Nobody is really opening up to the other one. Nobody is talking to each other about how they really feel. So person B is also kind of now giving up, it seems. That's how you guys are feeling at the moment. What's going to happen, we'll check later. So before that, Gems, let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys had something to say to each other, what that would be. Gems and their person spirit. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Okay. And let's take a few from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. Okay. Let's start the reading, Gems. And let's see what's going on here. The first card I have says, I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time that I do. So separation going on here, Gemini. But person A does want to now come out of this place. They don't want the stress anymore. If they've been overthinking this connection or worrying too much about it, they do want to, I think, maybe return or make things right or something, so that they, the stress and worry can be over now, because the stagnation is like too much for them to handle, it seems. Sometimes, because I know that we'll be together, I take you for granted. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. You deserve to be loved. You're very special. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. So Gems, these were your messages, and now let's see what's happening with the connection. I'm going to start with the person A, but before I start clarifying these cards, Gems, I'm going to take an angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Be brave. All right. So if you guys have not been telling each other how you feel, Gemini, somebody has to be brave in this situation and speak up now. Okay. So my angels are giving you strength and saying be brave. Let's start with person A. Person A has the 8 of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why is that? 8 of Swords in reverse and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. There could have been a third party situation which maybe person A knows that they created. Maybe they created some kind of a tower moment between the two of you. Now things are kind of in troubled waters between the two of you. Whatever happened here with the third party or whatever, there is, I think person A has been really stressed about what they've done. They're realizing that this is the reason the stagnation has like crept up in this connection. They do want to end this fight. Yes, they do want to end this fight. They are holding on to this connection tight. But I don't think this person has the strength. They are not brave enough right now to speak, or they haven't spoken up yet, right? But the heart of hearts, they're still holding on to person B very tightly. They want to end this tension between the two of you. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Knight of Swords in reverse. Some drama was created here for some reason. Maybe there was a fight. Somebody lost hope. Yes, Knight of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Swords. So somebody was immature or said or did something immature. They didn't do the right thing, maybe said something which was hurtful. And this connection went a totally different direction. 4 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 4 of Cups in reverse. Oops. 4 of Cups in reverse. Somebody was a player. Yes, somebody did not make the offer when they should have. They didn't accept the offer when they should have. They knew they should have made a choice, but I think they didn't. But the other person, I think, made a decision on them. They were probably, person A was probably in this kind of very immature energy, in and out kind of energy, maybe flirting with more people, or giving their energy to other people, never stabilizing the connection. And with this kind of behavior, I think somebody made a decision and dropped them. This is the same card person B has, so person B probably is the one who dropped this connection and said, I'm not dealing with anyone who's immature, who's going to put me in third parties, who's going to never, keep me depressed all the time, who's always going to be, playing around here and there and not, stepping up to the plate. And because now person A is feeling dropped, they are realizing their mistake, they realize what they've done, and they're realizing why person B is holding back from them as well. But they do want to come out of this place of this overthinking and stressing. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? They want to return. Person A does want their partner to return back to them, or they wish they could return back to their partner. They want to end this conflict which has happened between the two of you now, Gemini. 8 of Cups in reverse. 8 of Cups in reverse. Just give me a second. Okay, so Queen of Swords in reverse and the Death card. Yeah, somewhere they know that they have ended things badly with their person. Their person is very angry, upset and bitter with them, and probably doesn't trust them anymore. Right? They feel a total ending has been brought to this connection of the trust that was built in this connection. They feel that person may never trust them again, but they desperately do want a return of this trust back in this connection. They're feeling very defeated at the moment, and they want this connection now to kind of heal. They want to end this fight or conflict which has happened between the two of you. They're not sure though. They're not sure because they know they've disrespected their partner. They feel whatever games they played here have now kind of You know, they are feeling like the loser. The person maybe not willing to be on the same page as them anymore. But whatever said and done, person A is still wanting to end the fight at least. So they don't have to like keep thinking about what they've done or the worries. So let's see now what's going on the other side. The other side, Gems, person B, I don't know which side you're on, but person B has the Empress in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Person B feels that their person was emotionally manipulating them. They were always hiding emotions from them, maybe use their emotions, use their kindness for their weakness, and they feel that this was not the correct person. They were basically, yes, the emotionally manipulative person. And because now I think person B feels like that, they are now saying, hey, I'm not going to be the only one in this connection, carrying the load of this connection. This person has never invested in this connection properly. I am the only one who's been, doing everything in this connection. They haven't put in the correct investment for us to grow and have abundance and have a future. So it's time that I kind of drop this connection now. They also want to be in the same place. They don't want to overthink or, be stressed out about the situation either. But for different reasons. Person A had the same card, but they want to heal things now because they feel they've damaged it and they want to heal it so that they don't get stressed out. Person B is also wanting to come out of this stressful place by releasing or saying, hey, it doesn't seem like we can work together if they're going to be third parties or if we're not being able to heal our differences. Then why am I stressing out on somebody who's always making me feel abandoned or left out or emotionally manipulating me and, using my kindness? What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 9 of Cups and the Magician in reverse. See, this is what I was saying. They felt that that person tricked them, never gave them any kind of emotional happiness, always kept the relationship really small and stagnant, never offered them any kind of stability, never kind of emotionally empty. This connection started becoming emotionally empty because there was no promise of the future. And I think person B called judgment on person A by making a decision, saying, hey, if you're going to keep me like this, you never know which side you want to go, left or right, then I will make the decision for you. I'm dropping you. I will make the decision for you. You are being a trickster. You are only creating illusions in my life without offering me anything. So Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. Yes, I think person B is wanting to come out of this confusion now. They don't want to be just another option, and they are deciding now to put an end to this connection. So how does person B now see this connection or see person A? 4 of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? 4 of Pentacles. And the Sun card. Sun card. Sun card. Okay, actually person B always wanted to have victory with person A, even though person A really made them happy. Okay, this connection really made them happy. Person B often did think that this was like a soulmate connection. We get along so well. We are best friends. We've known each other enough now to, kind of have a very powerful, good connection. But they soon realized that person A was, behaving in a very immature way. And I think person B is, they're kind of holding back now. I think they're guarding their energy. They're holding themselves back because they are feeling quite rejected, quite neglected, feeling that there is no growth now in this connection. They feel this choice is right to hold back. if there is nothing going to be coming from person A's side, they feel this is the right choice to make, right decision to make, that if there is no growth, then I might as well hold back from this connection. So let's see, person A, will you make any effort or make any move towards person B? Oh, they have the Two of Swords too. So what is this choice, Spirit? Why is that an action? What are they choosing? Two of Swords in reverse. How is that an action? Too many cards. One card. Two of Swords in reverse. I think person A is recognizing that they were being selfish in the past. Maybe they didn't put in any work. They are wanting to have a clear-cut conversation, I think now. They want to set things right. They want to end this fight between the two of you. They've realized they've allowed too much time to lapse now between the, coming forward and having this conversation. But they don't want to be single. They don't want their person to be single. They are recognizing the part that they've played in this connection was of being a bit self-centered and selfish. They don't like their partner to be single either, because they are seeing their partner shining now. They see them as the Queen of Wands, somebody who's absolutely sparkling, and they feel a lot of people would have their eye on my person now. If I don't speak up now, I can lose them forever. So they're making this choice to come forward maybe with some communication about how to end this conflict between the two of you. So what about you, person B? Will you take any action? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Person B feels there is no new beginning that I'm going to offer you now. If your mind is going to be elsewhere or in other directions or other people, I'm not going to allow any more third parties. You cannot just come towards me with passion and then escape. You always come to me excited and with passion, and then you sneak away from my life. So person B is saying, hey, I don't think this is going to work out. I'm not sure of this new beginning, because you have done this time and time again. So person B is, they don't want to be made a fool once again. So I don't think person B is going to be making any move. So person A, it's up to you. Are you going to come and have the conversation? Will you come and clear the air now? Person A, will you do it? Yes, they want to come. They want to come and reveal all that was hidden in the dark. They don't want to keep any more secrets from person B. They want to reveal everything. They don't want to hide anymore. They don't want to keep quiet. They want to reveal their innermost desires and secrets or whatever they've been keeping, and lay it all out on the table and say, here, this is who I am, this is what I am, and come back. That's what they want to say. So yes, somebody will have to be very, very brave to do this, but you can do it, person A, you can. All right, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.